What's going on, everyone? Gilman with Wellthy Stocks back with another video today, taking a look at NIO Stock, ticker symbol NIO. We'll take a look at NIO Stock, how it's been trading recently, more specifically this past week, key levels of support and resistance that we're looking at moving into the future, and based on that, what we think NIO could do as it approaches earnings coming up in just 4 days. So real quick, if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and comment down below what your thoughts on NIO are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. Let me go ahead and hit record, and we'll get right into the video. So nice green day for NIO. We're talking up $1.51, 3.82% and 0.85%. If you guys remember from my past video, we drew this line right out of the bull pennant for NIO to follow, and actually it's been following that line pretty well, which is pretty funny. Wasn't expecting it to actually follow it, right? Just more of a where I see it going long term, but hey, I'll take it, right? So let's take a look at the 5-day chart. We'll take a look at some news surrounding the company, and then we'll see where it goes. So beginning of week, right, we dipped a little, bounced off that 35, which, as we'll see in a little bit, completed a triple bottom around that 35 price range, which is bullish. Means we've got great support down there at 35, and really started to push up, established support at 38 as well a couple times, and then now we're starting to push up, breaking into the 40s. So now let's take a look at what we have coming up. So first things first, we got a price target of $50 a share by CLSA. That happened 2 days ago. That implies more than a 20% upside from where NIO sits in that low $40 mark right now. So great price target there. The other thing that I want to talk about here is NIO Stock picks up momentum. I'm in Shanghai Auto Show, and key catalysts to watch. So like we talked about just now, right? It had a triple bottom around $35. What we are seeing here is that technically it is bullish for security, signaling that a possible reversal is in the works. So that's what we are talking about, guys. See, if I were to draw like a line here, 1, 2, 3, we got a nice triple bottom there. So if NIO shares sustain the uptrend, immediate resistance lies around 41. Boom. Outside of this level, the stock may find resistance around the 48.50 and 55.50 mark. So 48.50, 55.50, and then it talks about the Shanghai Auto Show, talking about the ET7 launching in the first quarter of 2022, and everything else that they presented, kind of causing optimism about the car. So 48.50, 55.60, both of those levels have, as we can see, right, a long way to go. 48 is kind of all the way here, which, by the way, we've got a level there too in the 48s, and then in the 50s as well. So we were trying to catch this breakout, you guys. It's too early to tell if this was a successful breakout or if we start to kind of dip again, in which case, you know, we could just move this line up and kind of wait for that breakout there. Earnings are supposed to happen in 4 days, 4/29. Today is the April 25th. So April 29th, we'll see earnings. One thing to kind of note is that NIO has been hit with a chip shortage, as we've covered. They had to shut down one of their factories for 5 days. So that definitely could take a hit on the number of cars produced, even though, you know, we are optimistic about that. Just kind of something to keep in the back of your mind. And let's take a look at, you know, future levels of support, future levels of resistance. So 42.38, first level resistance we got coming up, then 44.58, and then 46.23. One thing I want to take a look at here is when we were rebounding last time, that 46 level is where we had kind of trouble breaking above. So kind of keep your eyes open for that level, but that still implies a decent run room before we get there. On the downside, we got 38.53, 35.81, and then 34.02. Remember that 34 we've bounced on March 26th and again on April 16th, so that seems to be a really, really strong support level on the 34. My goal for NIO, if we see another couple green days, make it into the 46s, and then that's when I kind of want to see what NIO does. If we can make that, you know, in the next few days before earnings, maybe we bust through it. But depending on how earnings goes, that will determine kind of where NIO goes. But, you know, I'm hopeful long term that it'll head up. As always, I'm holding my NIO shares and my leap call going out to 2023 because I think NIO has a bright future, and I would like to see it, as I drew from this line, get up to kind of the 60 level. Remember, if it gets to 60 bucks, which, by the way, it was trading at for a while here, that's a 50% upside from where it sits today. I'm talking on options, or excuse me, I'm talking on stock alone, not options, which is is a great return, as I'm sure you guys know. So just something to keep in the back of your mind if you are a NIO shareholder, you guys. We've got a great chance that it'll, you know, provide great returns, assuming you know, NIO continues to do well and grow, which I'm optimistic about. So that's all I had for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what your thoughts on NIO are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day, and until next time.